So hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. So today we're gonna do an insane challenge. So tomorrow I'll do the tutorial video, but today we'll do an insane challenge. So this is gonna be really insane. So yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, today we're going to be solving this 3 by 3 cube. I've already shuffled it. So we are going to solve it with this claws, paper claws. I don't know if you guys have the idea of this. Let me wear them and show it to you guys. So yeah, like this. So this is how you wear a paper claw. So now first I'm going to show you how to make these paper claws. So first for that you need a plain sheet of paper like this one right here. Yeah, you can take a rectangular sheet size like a normal rectangular sheet, or A4 size would be the best because I made them out of A4 size sheets. So first guys, uh, I don't know if you are able to see it, but first just fold it like this into half, like you're making a square, right? While you're making a square out of a rectangular paper, that step, uh, it looks like this. Okay, let me zoom in the camera. Yeah, it looks like this. Okay, this step. Okay, so next what you are going to do is, uh, this corner, this step, we're going to fold it till here like this. How you fold it, like in a square, and then like this. Now we're going to fold it till that tip like this. Okay, like that. And then these both, like this corners are there, right? Okay, let me, okay, these corners are there, right? So you fold them like this. Okay, just like that. Okay, just like that kind of. And then now what you do is, here you do the same thing, but the either side. So yeah, there you go, like that. Your paper should look like this. And then you're gonna fold the whole thing like this paper, you're gonna fold it into half like this. Okay, okay guys, so now your paper should be kind of like this. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, your paper should be kind of like this. So now this triangle, we're gonna fold it into half like this. Okay, and then gonna press it nicely so that it doesn't break. And yeah, just press it very nicely so that it doesn't break, guys. So now we're gonna open this again. So now this fold, this fold right here, we're gonna do it like that. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. So this is something like that. Okay, till the center crease, and you're gonna fold it like this. Okay, okay, so now this one you're gonna fold it backward like this. And then this one again, you're gonna fold this into half. It's okay guys if you don't get, I don't think this tutorial is on YouTube also. I'll give a video link in the description below. So yeah, the video link is in the description below. That video might be helpful for you to learn this paper class if you didn't understand here what I said. So now guys, we go see this. Okay, so you'll have something like this. Now we did it like this, right? Now you can see this pocket inside. Now you can see the small flap which we're gonna insert in that pocket like that, and we're gonna close it up fully. Now we'll have this one fin like thing. Now we're gonna open that. And when we're gonna do like that to just put finger space and then push your finger through this hole. There you go, that's it. There is the paper claw. It's easy guys. I uploaded one more video in the description, not like I suggested a video in the description which might help you learn this paper claw. So guys, today's challenge is that we're gonna solve a 3 by 3 with this paper claw. Okay, so let's begin. So guys, like this, we made so many claws here, as you can see. Look at this claws. So we made 10 claws because we have 10 fingers in our hands, with which you're gonna solve the cube. So guys, let's wear this claws now. Okay guys, so here we have, like I wore the claws. So now let's pick a cube. Okay, okay guys, so there you go. I wore my paper claws. Oh, this looks wild. Okay, So now we're gonna solve this 3 by 3. Oh no, I'm not gonna put a timer right now, but then I'm just gonna solve this. This is just slipping out of my hands, man. Okay, I think I can't hold this now with this claws. Okay, let me try. And this, okay, okay, guys, 1 second, please. Yeah, there you go. Okay, the problem is that this is a magnetic cube, and then this just takes a lot of time, and then I get just, oh my god, how can I solve it? Okay, wait, let me use my palms to solve it. Maybe I think I can do it like that. Okay, okay, my god, move. Yeah, there you go. Oh shit, it's going somewhere. Okay, okay, I'm gonna solve it right now anyway. Okay, man, just come. Okay, now just insert this to make a quick plus. Yeah, there you go, we finished the plus. Oh no, guys, it's just really difficult. If you try it, I'm sure you guys might find this difficult. This is just really difficult, man, to solve with this wild claws. I just can't put my finger down. This is just covering the whole finger. Oh my god, I don't know how will I be by this hand. Oh, lucky F12 pair. We got a F12 pair. Let's go. There you go. We got a perfect F12 pair, which is really helpful during this time. Yeah, let's just rotate this layer. Oh, where did I rotate it? Okay, I rotated it 2 times instead. Why would I rotate it 2 times? Okay, 1 time, insert that pair. Oh my goodness, inserted pair. Yeah, there you go, just something like that. And then now what you're gonna do is you're gonna insert this one like that. Okay guys, this is so difficult now, I can't even do this. Okay, why is it turning the either side? Oh my god. Okay, let me just turn it like this. Okay, okay. And now this layer. Okay, come on, nice, good boy. Come on, YJ. Okay. So guys, if you hear any background sounds, please, I'm sorry for that, guys. I'm in my house right now, so please do excuse background noises. Okay, I'm trying my best to solve this right now, guys. So now I'll pause the video for some time, and then later on I'll resume it. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, so now okay, we have solved it. So guys, just a second. Okay guys, now let's solve this. Okay man, come on, YJ, you long. It's not solving. No, it's not solving it nicely. But then I'm trying my best to solve this again. Okay, so far we got 2 F12s. So now we have to get the third one. I'm just forcing my gloves in the other range. So guys, I think I can't solve this. Okay, let's try solving this cube. So guys, now I'm just going to try my best. If you hear any background sounds and background noises, please do excuse me for that, man. This is a house, and my family members are in the house. So guys, I can't even unpause and pause the video with this gloves, man. I don't know what will happen to these gloves. I'm especially worried for my A4 sheets right now. Okay, let's solve this. Come on. Okay guys, so basically talking about this, I got to know that, okay, so yesterday I was seeing some videos, and there was this world record of growing the most nails on a person. Like the person grew so like these big nails, man. He just grew some big nails, and then he just had this insane nail growing things. And then yeah, he just grow his nails. It was insane. I wonder how people like that would be able to solve the cube. Maybe with their palms, like how I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm moving my camera also. Okay guys, so now let's, let's do it quickly because I'm gonna solve this now. Okay, F12 is really helpful now. You can think of that. F12 is really helpful. Beginners method, RIP in this. So yeah. Okay, I'm not denying beginners method, but yeah, beginners method, RIP dude. Okay, F12 is just very useful in like situations like this. So that's why I prefer you guys to learn F12 because it's just actually good. It's actually really helpful in cube solving. I don't know. Oh my gosh, the layer does not rotate. What? Okay, let me just try to rotate. Okay, I got my claw off. Let me fix that. Okay, it's quite tight now. Let's try. Okay, let me fix my claw a bit. Okay, there you go. With the palm, and then now we're gonna lift it. Oh, that was really quick. Okay, this should be quick. Okay, and this one should be quite simple to do. Come on. Okay, I'm risking my cube to do this now. I don't know, man. Sorry, YJ, for doing this to you, but then I just have to do it for my viewers. Now, okay, come on. Okay, come on, man. My nails are just slipping. Getting sweat in my nails, so you know what I'm saying. So, yeah. Oh, man. Okay, let's just do it with the palm now. I don't know how to do this. Oh no! The last layer! I forgot. Okay guys, let me just do this all together right now. Okay, you are rotating 2 layers. Okay, I'm rotating 2 layers in the beginning. Flip it. Okay. And now you're all rotating 2 layers in the beginning. But then this cube, it's gotta be. This cube is crazy now. Okay. So now we're just gonna do it step by step now. I don't wanna risk it. Okay. Okay, now this layer. Okay, guys. So now in this layer, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just do the cross like as usual. But then only problem is that I don't know, we might mess up because messing up right now in this situation would be the worst thing ever to solve a Rubik's Cube only. Because first thing, we are solving it with the nails. So second thing is that we are just taking the risk of solving this cube with these nails because my paper nails would get spoiled badly at the end. Because firstly, this cube is a magnetic one, and yeah, this has a lot of attractive power. So see, that's why it's not moving. Okay, the magnets are holding the pieces like they are holding these pieces, and then I'm not just able to rotate these pieces. Okay, fine, whatever. Let's break it with our claws. Okay guys, comment down below. Okay, just do try this challenge in your house. I think most of you, if you don't have a YouTube channel also, please do try this in your houses and comment down below how you felt while doing this. Okay, just comment down below because I am just feeling really tired and weird doing this one now because no person ever tried this challenge in YouTube. Only I am trying this challenge in YouTube right now. So guys, yeah, let's try this. I don't know whether what product will we get at the end. I don't know. What if I mess up at algorithms? And yeah, there you go. I'm just trusting in this cube right now. No, I just want to do some algorithms now in this cube. I don't know why, like this. Okay, come on, flip the cube. Okay, I think now I'm getting to have a better experience with this cube. Oh, I'm actually turning this cube nice now. Okay, there you go, we got the OLL, man. We got the OLL. Come on, just give me a nice case. We get a nice case. Okay, I see the case. Yeah, this is the case we were talking about. I don't know which perm this is, but then you have okay, let me okay. So guys, we have done so far with these paper claws. These are really sharp. Okay, does this actually poke? Yeah, a bit like the paper, like the tips, right? These tips. So yeah, they poke. So guys, in the intro I thought that, hey guys, like I would do it like that, but then these claws are just too weird, so I didn't do it like that. Okay, so now, okay guys, this is the task. Okay, we're not gonna mess up at this one. I think we are not gonna mess up at this one, because this algorithm, if you remember this perm, you have two opposite faces like this one, and then you don't have anything right here. These all are messed up, and then these go. Okay, let me show it to you clearly so that you guys can understand the perm. So it is kind of like this, and where it has this thing. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, so today now we are gonna solve this cube, and okay, so guys, if you hear any background noises, please excuse me for that. So now we are gonna solve this cube right now. I don't know how we are gonna solve this. So now let's do this like this, and then we're gonna flip it, and then we're gonna do that algorithm. Okay, okay, I'm getting expert at this. Okay, okay, we solve it like that, and then we're gonna move it up like that, like okay, 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 there you go. Okay, okay, let's just not get the, oh no, this is confusing me. Okay guys, so just wait a second. So guys, okay, there you go, and then we'll move this layer like that. Okay, and then just do that, and oh, so there you go. Okay, 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 we got it. Okay, this is the final case. Whoa. What? Wait, let me just remember this algorithm once. Okay, maybe we're gonna do it like this. Headlights on the back. Okay. Wait, okay, guys. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply this algorithm. Okay, let's apply the same algorithm. We are just applying the beginner's algorithm now. So not the OLL, not the PLL. Okay, we're applying the beginner's algorithm, which is which is which actually takes time, but then it's okay because we just want to apply it right now, because we just want to solve this right now, not applying the OLL and PLL's algorithm, because first thing, those algorithms are really long, and yeah, those algorithms are really long, so we might get messed up, and messing up is really bad in this situation. So yeah, this is also okay. This is one of my favorite case, because I'm doing this. Okay, now I think this thing has known the magnetic attraction. So now, okay, now I'm able to see the cube. Okay, let's solve it right like that, and then we're gonna put this down. And first time ever in YouTube, a person solved a Rubik's cube with a paper claws, and it is done, guys. There we solved the cube with paper claws. First time on YouTube. I think this is the first video like this on YouTube. So guys, if you hear any background sounds, please excuse me for that. But then we have done it again. We solved this cube. Oh, I never knew this was gonna happen. Now I don't think we'll do the 2 by 2, because already the 3 by 3 is really nice and really long, taking time. But then yeah, please do try this challenge, guys. And yeah, this is the first time on YouTube a person has done this. So yeah, please do like this video, please subscribe my channel, and yeah guys, if you like this video, a like for this paper nails. Okay, let's remove these things now. Let's remove one by one. Okay, the removing is like bit hard for these paper claws. Okay, just remove them gently. Okay, let's remove it with this hand. Okay, here you go. Yeah, that's why I said that removing them is a bit hard. And there you go. Oh, my hands are really free now. Okay, whatever. That's it for the video, guys. Again, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, especially for this cool video. A like is compulsory. So guys, if you like this video, again, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.